Hi, this is a demo of PowerQuery. What PowerQuery can do, right? Now, for example, you have a ABC list here, right? And then the other list is like really just it's really ABC, ABC, ABC. So ABC three times, here ABC three times, and you want to say you have additional one. So let's say you have one more items, right? You just copy this and paste it here, and then here, you want to add a D, add a D, add a D, and also repeat another time for this group, right? So PowerQuery make it very fast, right? Now imagine, right, if you were to do it manually, right, you need to right click, include, and then you have to copy it again, right? And that is very tedious, right? So I right click, I refresh, and that's it. A B C D, A B C D, A B C D, A B C D, four times. All you need is master the PowerQuery. You can do it this easily. Thank you. This is really to make you aware of the PowerQuery, right? Thank you.